Hi friends, for our morning bin today, we're going to color by the code. Now, you might have the same one as me or yours might be a little bit different, but either way, you're going to look for this shape and then the color word. So on mine, if I see a leaf like this, I'm going to color it Y-E-L-L-O-W. I'm going to color it yellow. All right. If I see a leaf that looks like this, I'm going to use R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red. I can spell red. I see a leaf that looks like this, I'm going to do O-R-A-N-G-E, O-R-A-N-G-E. And then last, if I see a leaf that looks like this, I'm going to use G-R-E-E-N, G-R-E-E-N. Okay, boys and girls, so I see this leaf first. I'm going to look up. I know that I'm going to use Y-E-L-L-O-W, Y-E-L-L-O-W, Y-E-L-L-O-W. That spells yellow. All right, so I have my yellow leaf. I'm going to color the rest, and you're going to do the same. Mrs. Newlands and I will see you soon.